Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that a lot of Spotify users find annoying: suggested songs. If you're tired of Spotify playing songs you didn't ask for, stick around. We're going to show you how to stop that from happening. Let's get started. So, why does Spotify play suggested songs anyway? Well, Spotify tries to help you discover new music by playing songs it thinks you'll like. It uses something called an algorithm to guess what you might enjoy based on what you've listened to before. Sometimes, though, it doesn't get it right, and it can be pretty annoying. The way this algorithm works is actually pretty cool. It looks at the songs and artists you like, the playlists you make, and even the songs you skip. Then, it tries to find similar music for you. But if you just want to listen to your own playlist without any extra songs, here's what you can do. First, turn off autoplay. Autoplay is a feature that automatically plays similar songs when your playlist ends. To turn it off, open Spotify and go to Settings. Tap on Playback. Scroll down to find the autoplay option and switch it off. This will stop Spotify from playing extra songs after your playlist finishes. Next, disable the Smart Shuffle feature. Smart Shuffle adds songs that fit with the ones in your playlist. You can't really disable the Smart Shuffle feature altogether, but you can shift to order-based shuffle if you have a premium subscription. Another way is to use Spotify's offline mode. When you switch to offline mode, Spotify will only play the songs you've downloaded. But remember, you need to have Spotify Premium to play songs offline. You can also hide any recommended songs you don't like. Just tap the three dots next to the song and select Hide Song. This tells Spotify not to play that song again. Lastly, add more songs to your playlist. Adding more songs to your playlist can help prevent this. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can stop Spotify from playing suggested songs and enjoy your own music without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy listening.